Hello, traders. Hello, good afternoon, traders in the Philippines, and our early good morning for the traders in the U.S. or North America. So here we're looking at the ETH chart with the deviation levels on there, and we're going to look at what's going to happen during the London London session. So we're looking at the right here. We have the legacy strategy with the VWAPs, the VWAP strategy, and also on the left side here we just basically have a 5 minute chart with a VWAP strategy and a 50 EMA, and that's about it. So looks like we're right now prices below the VWAP here, and we shall see if it's going to continue going down or will it go here to +1 deviation and eventually go back up. That's the point. So I'm looking at this. I'm looking at we already reached the +2 deviation up here and went down here to the -2. So now it looks like we're oscillating between the +1 and this is the oscillation right here. Now, can we find out what the direction here is? The question: where is the trend? Well, maybe there might be no trend. It may be just what ranging, and we shall see. Because right now I'm looking at this on the legacy strategy. We have a we have a directional shift to the upside, and it's like a V1 right here, right? But we have a deep pullback here, so we'll see what this the fill line will be using as is going to be used as the support. So if I see this, this is almost like a good setup right here because we're going from +1 deviation back to the VWAP deviation or VWAP, right? From +1. So this could be actually a good setup here. If we look at that, right? So let me look at that. Maybe we can take that trade. Um, Again, we have a signal here that's going up, which is a good signal because that would have been a great signal taking that trade. Now, my question is, will this continue going up? That's the question. Since this is almost a V1, right? So I'll go with the basis of the V1. And I'm not scared of losing as long as it's a good
Order submitted.
trade here.
Order filled.
And our goal is, to make at least maybe anywhere from I'll take 200 even on one contract. So let's see here. We can also limit our loss. So let's see what's going to happen. We have around 20 minutes left too, and let's see if it's going to make a move here. Then we'll have our move for the London Open. Maybe you can scalp here for this is a 5 point scalp. So you can see we have a signal right now formed here in the 5 minute candle. So we may have a stop here, right here. Let's see if that's going to happen. Right there. See, we have a signal down going down. So we might just get out of this trade sooner than later. So let's see what happens here. Okay. Put this in mute and you'll see my plan. If this goes down, we'll just continue going this down. Eventually get a 5 point scalp. If not, I can end this right now. I'm just looking at what's going on here. Let's see if it's going to continue to support this filling, the fill-in being used as a support. Okay, so put this in mute.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order canceled.
So I'm pointing something out here. So you see, I'm able to adjust once I see this big momentum candle or bar. I had to adjust because basically this was a trade setup here going from a minus one, in this case a minus one deviation going to the VWAP. I wasn't able to get this trade early, even though there's a signal coming down. Once it reverses like this and we're close to the minus one deviation, I could have entered right here. Uh, right, I'll show you right here, right, at least right there. And then target would either be the VWAP, which is another 3.75, or you can target up to here, where most likely it's going to end up. It's around 9 points. I was able to get it here. That's where it got me filled. I had to adjust. I didn't want to be chasing it, so I got it right here. We don't have a signal yet on the 5 minute bar or 5 minute chart. It's already 1 minute left, an hour and a half left on this 5 minute bar, and most likely we will get a signal on this bar right here. So your entry would be somewhere here at the top of the high of this bar, this closing right here, the high of this bar. So we have another close to a minute and a half left. We may get a signal here to enter here, right? And so I'm already ahead of that. Now again, this may go reverse again. Well, let's see. Um, and my stop is usually going to be down here at the swing low, right there. One tick, and openings in 1 minute. Let's see if it's going to give this a thrust back to the upside. My target right now is 10 points with this thrust in the opening. And again, with our probability, the way this momentum is going, yes, it's going to get up here at least, at the minimum, to this extension, the Fibonacci extension up to here, as you can see in this other chart right here. So right here, right? That's a Fibonacci extension. This is the retracement with the extension. So we'll see if this is going to go up or down again. I'm just basing on what I see, not trying to trade according to what I expect. I'm trading to what I see in front of me. Okay. Let me put this back in mute, see what happens when the open comes up. And again, don't be scared to lose. Again, I had to adjust there, so I got 2 losses, but my wins are usually bigger than my losses. So here we come with the London Open. Let's see what's going to happen here. There's the signal that I expected right there. Let me point that out. Right, right here's the signal. So your entries went right here. Right. So we'll see what's going to happen. Okay, here comes the buyers now. You can see it hit our extension, rebounded off that, bounced off that, but it's going to continue. You can see right at the right extension, it hit it, bounced off, and now it will continue. So a lot of people took profit right at that extension right there. That's why it's going down. So people, there was some profit taking going on there. So let's see if we can get some buyer, continue these buyers, or at least we want to get up to here. I mean, those of you who want a 5 point target, you got it right there. Those of you who are scalping a 5 point target, you got your 5 points there. So you're probably done for this session. Again, if I'm looking at this, look at my this, quote unquote small losses. Let me see here. So what is today? The ninth, right? So let's generate this. There it is. It's only $175 loss. So if you went for the or the 5 points, would be what, 250. You'd be in profit, and that'd be okay. You know, so 250 minus 175, it's still a profitable session for you. We're not looking for home runs or like that. We're just making consistent profits on there. So right now we're at around 5 point. Like I said, my expectation is to get up at least to the +2 deviation. Since we got down here to the -2 deviation, my expectation is to get up there as well. So I'll be more patient. Let's see if we can get to 10 points. Seeing that was quick. Quick 10 points right there. Right there. 337. I'll take that. Right. So there, I'm done. That was a little over $500 trade right here. You can manage your losses. You're still making a big win, big target here. And if you're asking me if this is still going to go up, yeah, probably up, maybe up here, but I don't know if it's going to be testing up there. But you can see we have the Fibonacci here. The extension was up here, and if you want to extend, we don't see a pull. I'm going to be expecting a pullback once it maybe hits the +2 deviation here, and then come back and retest maybe close to the VWAP again and try to test that back up. Again, I'm just done with the 10 points, so I'm happy with that. So I'll see you guys in the morning session or the cash session of the RTH. Okay, I know it's early in the morning in the West Coast, and Sir John, are you? Hopefully you got see what you saw there. I have a new student right now. His name is John. Hopefully you see what the potential is regarding this the V, or should I say the London Open. You can easily just trade it for less than an hour, go back to sleep. As you can see, how long did it take this trade? This trade basically took what, 2:39 we started. It's already 3:30. Not even 1 hour, and you already made 3:37. Okay, talk to you guys later on in the cash session or the morning session of the RTH, and stay safe. and always God bless. Take care. Bye bye.